This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This let completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly mind-blowingly effective. This viral stuff is literally everywhere right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it feels incredibly high quality. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it saves you so much time. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works, as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before the price goes back up. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this